Hi guys, and welcome back to the HowMuchTech channel. Choosing the right coffee grinder can make all the difference in your daily brew, whether you prefer espresso, drip coffee, or French press. The good news is that we've done the research for you, analyzing the best coffee grinders on the market to help you find the perfect one. Our ratings include high-quality burr grinders, compact blade grinders, and smart models with precision settings. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. So if you're ready, let's get started. Number 6. Breville Smart Grinder Pro. The Breville Smart Grinder Pro brings high-tech convenience to your coffee routine. With 60 precise grind settings and an intuitive LCD display, it allows you to customize your grind size with ease. Whether you need fine espresso grounds or coarse cold brew, this grinder delivers consistent results. The stainless steel conical burrs reduce heat during grinding to preserve coffee flavor, and the dosing system lets you grind directly into a portafilter, paper filter, or container. With its sleek design and smart functionality, this is a great option for those who want versatility without sacrificing quality. It even features a timed dosing system, so you can get the exact amount of coffee you need every time. Number 5. Fellow Ode Brew Grinder. For coffee lovers focused on pour-over and drip brewing, the Fellow Ode Brew Grinder is a game-changer. Designed specifically for filter coffee, this grinder offers professional-grade flat burrs for uniform particle size and optimal extraction. The Ode's single-dose design ensures freshness by minimizing leftover grinds, and the noise-reducing motor makes for a quiet grinding experience. While it's not suitable for espresso, it excels in precision grinding for methods like AeroPress, Chemex, and French press. One standout feature is the automatic shutoff, which stops grinding once all the beans have been processed, ensuring consistency with every batch. If you value both performance and aesthetics, the Ode is a stylish addition to any coffee setup. Number 4. Capresso Infinity Plus. The Capresso Infinity Plus is a great entry-level burr grinder for those who want precision without breaking the bank. It features 16 grind settings, ranging from ultra-fine for espresso to coarse for French press. The hardened steel conical burrs ensure even grinding while minimizing heat, preserving the coffee's natural flavors. With a slow motor, it reduces noise and prevents static buildup. Its user-friendly design includes a timer dial for consistent dosing, and the removable upper burr makes cleaning easy. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable grinder, the Capresso Infinity Plus is a solid choice. Number 3. Eureka Mignon Specialita. Stepping into the world of espresso grinding, the Eureka Mignon Specialita offers exceptional consistency with stepless grind adjustments. The 55mm flat burrs ensure even particle distribution, and the touchscreen display makes operation simple. This grinder is known for its quiet performance and precise dosing, making it an excellent choice for espresso lovers. The small footprint means it won't take up too much counter space, and the build quality is top-notch. It also features an anti-clumping system, which helps create fluffy grounds for an even espresso extraction. If you're serious about espresso and want a grinder that delivers barista-level results, the Eureka Mignon Specialita is a standout option. Number 2. Baratza Virtuoso Plus. The Baratza Virtuoso Plus is a go-to choice for home brewers who want consistent results across multiple brewing methods. With 40 grind settings, it offers flexibility for everything from espresso to French press. Its 40mm conical burrs provide uniform grinding while minimizing heat buildup, preserving the coffee's flavor. The digital timer and backlit grounds bin make it easy to achieve precise dosing, even in low light. Designed for durability, this grinder has a metal casing that adds a premium feel. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a dedicated home barista, the Virtuoso Plus delivers reliability and performance in a compact package. Number 1. Baratza Encore. A favorite among beginners and home brewers, the Baratza Encore is known for its simplicity and reliability. It features 40 grind settings, making it versatile for drip coffee, French press, and even espresso. Equipped with 40mm conical burrs, it ensures consistent grounds with minimal heat buildup. The intuitive on-off switch and pulse button provide ease of use, while the compact design makes it a great fit for any kitchen. For those looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly grinder that delivers solid performance, the Baratza Encore is a fantastic entry-level option. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.